Now let's talk about chlorine. Chlorine का जो atomic number है that is 17 and chlorine का mass number let's say 35 we can take. Now chlorine का atomic number अगर 17 है तो फिर उसका जो number of protons है that will also be 17, number of electrons will also be 17 because I told you that the number of protons and the number of electrons are both equal to the atomic number. Now if there are total 17 electrons, फर्स्ट शेल में तो मैक्सिमम 2 ही रह सकता है, सेकंड शेल में मैक्सिमम 8 रह सकता है, तो थर्ड शेल में फिर रहेगा 7. तो क्लोरीन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन दैट इज द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ क्लोरीन विल बी A287. So when we draw the orbit structure diagram, we will have 2 electrons in the first shell, 8 electrons in the second shell, and this time we will have 7 electrons in the third shell, that is the last shell. Here there is 1 electron already, so I will draw 6 more, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So total 7 electrons in the last shell. Mass number here is 35, so the number of neutrons is mass number minus protons, that is equal to 35 minus 17, that is 18. So here we have 17 protons and 18 neutrons. This is the orbit structure diagram of chlorine atom. Now the point is, what does this relate? How does this relate to valency? How is all this related to valency? The question is. Now, every atom wants to go into a state which is called the stable state, stable electronic configuration. Every atom wants to go into stable electronic configuration. What is stable electronic configuration? Stable electronic configuration means that the shells should be completely filled. So you have 2,8 as a stable electronic configuration. Then you might also have 2,8,8 as a stable electronic configuration. Now remember, according to 2n square rule, I had told you that the maximum number of electrons that can stay in the third shell is 18, 1,8. But for now, you will have to consider that the maximum number of electrons that can stay in the third shell is also 8. There is a reason behind that, which is known in higher classes. So for now, stable electronic configuration means that the shells are totally filled, completely filled. That means an atom with electronic configuration 2,8 or 2,8,8, something like this, or only 2. If there is only one shell, maximum 2 electrons can stay in it. It is completely filled if there are 2 electrons in it. So 2, 2,8, 2,8,8. If an atom has these kinds of electronic configuration, it is called stable. It is said to be in a stable state. Every atom of an element will try to go into stable state if it has an opportunity to do so. Now sodium electronic configuration is 281, chlorine electronic configuration is 287. The point is, for sodium to attain stable electronic configuration, it can either lose 1 electron, that means remove this electron in the third shell and go into 2,8, or it can gain 7 electrons and go into 2,8,8. Now obviously losing 1 electron is much easier than gaining 7 electrons. So sodium will lose 1 electron and go into 2,8. Sodium will lose 1 electron and go into 2,8. There it will be called Na+. Whenever an atom loses electrons, जब एक atom electron छोड़ता है, then it becomes positively charged. Remember that. So Na loses 1 electron. यहाँ पे माइनस इलेक्ट्रॉन जो हम लिखें, that means Na से एक इलेक्ट्रॉन चला जाता है. Na loses 1 electron to become Na+. Chlorine on the other hand, chlorine, if it wants to go into stable state, it can either gain 1 electron and go into 2,8,8 or lose 7 electrons and go into 2,8. So for it is much easier to gain 1 electron as compared to losing 7 electrons. So chlorine, what it will do is it will gain 1 electron plus electron. That means chlorine is gaining 1 electron and it will become 2,8,8. Electron का E के ऊपर ये जो minus लिखते हैं, that is because electron is a negatively charged particle. So chlorine becomes 2,8,8, and when any atom gains 1 electron, it becomes negatively charged. So this will become Cl-. Now, what will happen? Because sodium wants to lose 1 electron and chlorine wants to gain 1 electron, so sodium will give away 1 electron and chlorine will take that electron itself. That is a kind of a partnership between them. So Na+ and Cl- will be formed. Now, what is valency? Valency is this number of electrons. The number of electrons that an atom loses or gains to go into stable state, stable electronic configuration, is called valency. This is what valency is. So the valency of sodium is 1 because it lost 1 electron, and the valency of chlorine is also 1 because it gained 1 electron. Another thing, 8 electrons in a shell. The set of 8 electrons in a shell is called octet. O-C-T-E-T, octet. Octet means set of 8 electrons.